All right, our next environment, the Arctic. Oh boy. I don't know about you, but when I say that word, I automatically start to get chilly. I just think about being so cold. A couple of the characteristics of the Arctic are the temperature ranges from negative 30 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, this is just an average. Yes, it gets colder than that and it might get a little warmer than that. That's just kind of an average range. Water. In the Arctic, there's a lot of water, but sometimes it's in the form of ice. Sometimes it's in the form of bodies of water like lakes and oceans. Soil is very interesting in the Arctic. It is known as permafrost, which means it is permanently frozen. Very hard to grow anything in the Arctic because it's so cold. The soil is frozen. How are you going to grow anything if it's frozen? Typical weather patterns of the Arctic include long, cold winters and short, cool summers. In Summit County, we've got long, cold winters, but not quite like the Arctic, and our summers are much nicer. Common organisms of the Arctic include polar bear, Arctic fox, whale. I'm sure you could think of several. So right now I'm going to draw a small picture in one of these shapes to show what I think of when I think of the Arctic. I want you to do the same. Right here is my picture of the Arctic. I'm going to go ahead and make a note of what that is so I don't forget. Now, in my picture, I drew some dark water, a big iceberg, and some blue sky. Of course, if you are feeling up to drawing a polar bear, I would strongly suggest it. Okay? But that's just what I think of when I hear the word Arctic. So go ahead and draw your picture to match what you think of when you hear the word Arctic.